Looking for an English class that's fun, effective, and comfortable? Say less, we got the perfect one for you. Welcome to our regular class. This class is available for elementary, junior high, and also senior high school student. You learn step by step, grammar, vocabulary, and speaking at a comfortable pace. And it's not just studying. We also have free fun activities like crafting, cooking, and outing class. Every month, students will join our fun stage to build their confidence and speak in front of others. And don't worry about your progress, because we have progress tests, mid tests, and also final tests. So you can clearly see your improvement. Learning English doesn't have to be stressful. It can be fun and meaningful. Join our regular class now. Let's grow your English skills together at Wattson English Centre. See you!
Wattson English Centre.